Kevin, did you ever see a Shoyman Shabbos Armory? Well, here we are on Nostrand Avenue and Avenue R. David Shore from Tri-State Carry introduced me to this store, a Heimische store that sells guns, that's a regular armory. And what's the name Samson about?
Shimshon.
Shimshon Agibber.
That's what it is, yeah.
That's amazing. So we did a video with you a couple of months ago about your licensing, right? It was amazing.
Baruch Hashem, yes, 100%. Very good feedback. A lot of people are obviously getting licenses now.
It's unreal.
Until 4 years ago, it wasn't really possible for most people to get a license in New York City. The law changed in June of 2022, and then 2023, we know what happened in October 7th. So since then, really, our community has been getting licenses constantly. It's a very common thing that's happening. It used to involve going to one store in Brooklyn, really. If you lived in Brooklyn, you only had one option. And around 9 months ago, Samson Armory opened up. He's Hamish Yid that owns the shop. It's Jewish owned, Jewish operated.
That's amazing.
Yeah, they're closed on Shabbos, as you see, and open on Sunday, which is a big mila. If you're working and you want to go shopping on a Sunday, you have this option.
Most stores are closed Sunday.
Yeah, for sure. Most stores are closed on Sunday.
And he's open Sunday and he's closed Shabbos. Amazing. And he's Heimish. And he can deal with you.
And since he's open, I can tell you, I know people that are licensed, and this is the place they go to. Over here you have a great stock, great service, really. They're going to find what you want. They have all options from basic to more advanced, and the prices are phenomenal.
Really? And he's Heimish, right beside this.
Look, you want to support your own. He's local also, you'll save time.
Literally 10 minutes from Borough Park, center of Flatbush, Nostrand Avenue and Avenue R. Great place.
Yes, if you're looking to buy a firearm, this is the place you want to go to. He's still new in the market, but he has everything.
All right.
He has everything, and people are very happy. I never got one complaint from people that I sent.
You send a lot of your clients?
Yeah, almost every client of mine ends up here, and they're very happy for coming. Chaim, let's go inside.
Oh wow, it's double doored, gated in. Look at this, nice.
Yes, we have to make sure you're not a criminal.
So you're saying they make sure there's no criminals coming in, so... Oh wow, this is gated in over here, what's so nice. Okay, let's go inside. How are you? Shalom Aleichem. Let's give him the mic. Alright guys, so we're here with Michael from the Samson Armory.
Samson Armory.
Samson Armory.
Shimshon Armory.
Shimshon Armory, that's why you picked the name.
Obviously, of course.
Shimshon Agibber, wow.
Exact strength, of course.
So I just saw a share how the person was saying, that it's almost a mitzvah to have to carry today's days.
100%. On Shabbos.
That's it. All right.
We are victims today, but never again, baby.
Never again. So let me hear a little about your store. This is super cool. You have here, I heard of minyanim sometimes?
Yeah, we're probably the only gun store to ever have a minyan. No, we're definitely one of the only gun stores in America that's Shomer Shabbos. Definitely within the Tri-State area, I can tell you that for sure.
Wow. Are you the only gun store in New York City?
In New York, in Brooklyn, New York, there's one other gun store that's been around for about 40, 50 years. I'm the first one to open in 50 years.
In 50 years, you're the first gun store that opened in New York City.
Correct.
That's amazing. How you got the license is beyond me.
Well, the way I got into it is pretty much I've gotten over 1,000 people their gun licenses. It's a very complicated process through NYPD, but I know how to work the system, do everything 100% legit, know what paperwork that needs to be submitted, cross the T's, dot the I's, and after I got people their licenses, they came to me, Michael, open a gun store. I'm like,
impossible.
Impossible, that can't be done. But you know what? I really put my mind to it. I put my confidence in Hashem. And I said, everyone tells me I can. Let's go, Hashem. Let's show everyone we can.
And there we are.
Here we are today.
Unbelievable.
And that's it, baby.
And gun store with, I'm going to show everybody a picture of Shai and Moshe on top. That's something you don't see nowhere.
Yeah, not in any gun. That's guaranteed.
Shai and Moshe you don't see anywhere.
I did for Shimshon Armory.
That's it. Okay, boom. So, do I understand? I heard from David Shore, who brought me in before, who I dealt with him in the past. You deal with a lot of Heimische guys.
A lot of Heimische guys.
Getting licenses, and they're a little lost, let's call it.
They're very lost, to be honest. It's a very new thing for New Yorkers. So we focus a lot on education, safety, making sure that the customer knows what they're getting into. Because a gun is a very dangerous thing that's not taken serious. So what we do is we emphasize and make sure that everybody is well trained, knows the safety, understands New York City laws, which are very complicated, and we pretty much want everyone here to walk out with a smile. And
so customer service here is
we are customer centric. We just want everyone to be happy. We want to make this process, which is a very tedious process, we want to make it as simple as possible for them.
Wow. See, whole Heimish Oilem over here today, and like I said before, you carry every style.
Carry everything. We help people get the license, sell them the gun, teach them, we train them, we do A to Z.
A to Z.
A to Z, baby.
So it's just a phone call away.
Just a phone call away. 347-263-6739. That's my cell, baby.
Call, text, WhatsApp.
If you harass me, though, don't forget.
You got a big dog over here, so don't harass him. But if you're interested in buying a gun, this is the place to be.
Or if you want to get a license, hit me up and let's go.
Right there. All right, Strilly, I see you buying over here. What do you say about the shop? How often you come here?
to have, first of all, a place to give business to a Yiddish person, first of all, off the bat.
That's it.
Number one. Shem Shabbos. Here we are, number one.
Okay.
Two, there's not that exactly that many options. You know, we feel we want to protect our families, our shuls. You know, who's going around, everybody in every shul should have at least somebody who's armed. And we need to take care of ourselves. We need to protect ourselves. It matters sometimes with our own hands. Obviously, you know, we're not here to intimidate anybody or anything like that, but we're not here to never again, as they say.
Wow, so when you come in here, it looks like a happy family over here. Everybody's friendly, everybody's nice. It's a real hangout. It's a hangout.
It's a proper club.
It's a real club.
That's it.
It's a kosher club. Is there a ticket over here? I see that Shai Ben Moshe over there. I'm sure you had a big ticket on the yacht side. The Shai yacht.
Yeah, of course.
Amazing. And see, even they got the belts.
Amazing.
The service is
amazing. They'll tell you what you're doing wrong, show you if you're holding it wrong, teach you. They provide lessons, classes, whatever you need.
Amazing. Wow.
I feel like we have a nice Heimische staff going on over here.
Heimische staff over here. Heimische Chevere. And of course they carry over there. Let's notice his weapon. What's the reason in the store you have to carry?
You have to open carry in the store. Outside the store,
cover.
Just like this.
In the store you got to open carry.
Inside the store, Chaz Shalom.
All the workers over here all carry.
Oh, we all carry.
Cool. Very cool. Very cool. Unbelievable. Heimische Matzah here. I love
this. And of course we have a beautiful dog, Uzi. Hello. Uzi, sit. Good boy, Platz. Good boy.
What type of dog is that?
He is a Belgian Malinois.
Oh, you have Maim Chaim. He bought me some Maim Chaim seltzer. So it's a real Heimische Matzah here.
We even have.
Pretty much a top, yeah.
We even have. It's still there.
Don't show me. Let me go.
Where is it?
What do you got?
Oh no. Oh, here, of course. Wait. You got a Lulav. Which gun store has this?
Which gun store has a Lulav?
It's not. This is my sword.
Oh, this is your sword. This is your sword, the Lulav. That's like a Lulav is a Menanea. What's that? That's I guess for the minyanim. You have that.
What, this?
When you dive in the chazan stands there.
Stands here.
So a gun store, Shai Ben Moshe, Lulavim, Chazonim, and everything else in between. Amazing. This is amazing. This is amazing. I love the vibe here. I love the energy. I love the matzav here.
When are you getting your gun license?
Oh, I was just gonna say. I was always skeptical. After walking into the store here, boom.
That's it. Let's go.
It's a done deal.
Let's Jew it, like they would say.
Let's Jew it. Every Jew at 22.
Every Jew at 22.
Kevin, the phone number again to reach out to is
347-263-6739 is my personal number. If you want to call the store, it's 929-GUNS-613.
Oh man, this guy is good. 613.
Hayag, baby.
Okay, and the location is
2938 Avenue R. It's right off of Nostrand and Avenue R.
Kevin, this is the place you want to be. If you have a license, you definitely want to be. If you don't have a license,
call me. I'll get you one as long as you're not a convicted felon.